I had a lot of requests from people watching the video to do a breakdown of how the bed slide was built. Um, so I'll do a quick one. It's not going to be great, but enjoy. So here are the drawers. Just basically a box. With one bias on the side. There's one bias ride on top of the lower casters and underneath a 2x4. So each drawer slides in that box and rides on these casters, and that 2x4 keeps it from tilting down. The top bed slides just I believe it's 3/4 inch plywood, a little frame, and two pieces of unistrut bolted to the bottom of each side. If you look at that black, that's axle grease that I put up in the groove of the unistrut to help it slide. I'm not sure if it shows up on the video, but if you can see the blue line on that 2x4 and this one, and then this one over here, that's where the actual weight of the bed slide resides. That weight is on the casters, not the unistrut. The unistrut groove slides in between these bolt washer assemblies that I trimmed down on this piece of, I believe it's 2-inch angle iron. And all they do is keep the bed slide from tilting forward when I have it fully extended. The weight of the platform rides on the top blue coasters. You can see I double up the coaster spacing at the front or at the back of the truck, so when I have the bed slide fully extended, I have an extra caster there to help carry that load. The frame is on 2x10s. The two end 2x10s, they ride down in the channel of the bed. The center is shaved down. I'll try to show it to you here. See how there's a 3/8 of an inch step right there? What that does is allow that 2x10 to slide down in the bed rail in the slots. This one right here is shaved flush and it rides on top of one, and that keeps the whole entire thing from shifting around. These hooks right here go down to turnbuckles and clamp at the back of the bed, the two hooks, and it's tightened down, so all this is just wedged into the back of the bed and can't move once it's all cinched in. There's just a bunch of my junk. Alright, I'm going to put it all together and then start the video again.